Huh, okay. Looks like someone just bought one of our $1,500 ME PC builds. Another day, another build. Let's get into it. The parts we just grabbed are for the Vector U25, a $1,500 business machine that's part of the ME PC lineup. Before we get to building it, let me show you what we're working with. For the processor, we have the Intel Core Ultra 5225, a 10-core processor with an NPU and integrated graphics, which is important because this machine does not come with a graphics card. That CPU is paired with 1TB of NVMe storage and 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. All of that will be built onto the MSI Pro B860M-A motherboard with features like Wi-Fi 7, a 5GB LAN port, and Thunderbolt 4 capabilities. Enough yapping, let's get to building this. Oh, I forgot to mention, we'll be building it inside the Thermaltake Versa H15, a professional looking case that already comes with a 500-watt power supply built in, which is all we need for this build.
One hour later.
Okay, got the last cable in place. Before we zip tie everything and lock it in, I like to make sure that it actually turns on and works. We got CPU fan spinning, rear exhaust fan spinning, and lights on the RAM. Everything is looking good at first glance. No lights on the motherboard. I think we're clear to lock in the cable management.
few moments later.
Okay, the build is complete. Let's go through a little tour of what you find in the front I/O. You got your mic and headphone connections, power button, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. Then on the back side, what do we have here? This is where you find your HDMI, DisplayPort, your Thunderbolt connection, a couple more USBs, both 2.0 and 3.0, USB-C connection, your 5 gig Ethernet lane, and then where you connect your Wi-Fi antennas and a couple more audio ports. Let's pop this guy open real quick. Upgradability, you do have some SATA connections, a spot for a 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drive, as well as a spot for an M.2 drive if you do need the extra storage. Of course, you can always add more RAM and add a graphics card. But if you are going to add a graphics card to this machine, do be wary that this only does run a 600 watt power supply. So be careful of your power budget, otherwise you will need to upgrade the power supply as well. The physical build may be complete, but we do have one more thing to do before packing it up and sending it to the customer. And that is loading Windows 11 and doing some final tests to make sure none of the parts are faulty. I don't have the testing bench for that, so let's bring it to our build team and get that done. And just like that, BIOS is updated, Windows is installed, and it passed all of our stress tests, meaning this machine's ready to go. The Vector U25 comes in at $1,549.99 and is backed by 1-year parts and labor warranty. But if you're someone who needs a little more peace of mind, we do offer 2, 3, and 4-year in-store product replacement plans. Now, could you build this yourself for less? Maybe, but between warranty, quality control, and time saved, this machine's a really solid choice for any business that needs a reliable computer that works. If you want a Vector U25 of your own, links down in the description. It's one of many ME PCs that we offer, so check it out. And that's the first build of this series. If you're into this behind the scenes type content, stick around because we have a lot more orders coming through the door. And hey, another day, another build. We'll see you in the next one.